about this thing. If you guys know what a
All right, let me go back there and talk a little bit. What show is this?
Pleasanton?
Norcal Pleasanton.
Yeah.
This is Guys, we're down here at the Norcal Expo in Pleasanton. I got a Pop One Olive Python with my friend Aaron. Aaron, how old is this snake, you know?
This snake is a long-term captive, so very hard to tell. I would say definitely over 6 years.
Yeah, definitely over 6 years.
You can still see some of the blemishes and scarring from in the wild, maybe where a bird or something tried to get her or another snake.
And this snake is for sale, right?
Yep, for sale. 2,000, ready to breed. Perfect attitude. My son's 5 and drags this girl down my hallway every day.
Yeah, look at this. Wild caught, right?
Yep, wild caught, been in captivity for over 5 years.
It's messing up my hair.
Oh, don't mess up the hairdo.
I know. All right, just go.
Right now.
Freaking light.
So that one's Cinnabon.
This is the one that's more cinnamon, right?
Yep. More gray, more silver.
Silver. See the iridescence that it has on these
Yeah,
guys?
I know. I love that.
Yeah, these are my favorite snakes I own now. So I got rid of most of my collection, so I have a group of these guys I'm trying to breed.
Okay, this one.
They're wild, so it's the same thing, but I would assume they're around 5 years. So you can see a little bit of blemish on them too. Hey, Mama, can you give me that top?
All right, guys, we're down here at MG Geckos booth at the Pleasanton Norcal Expo. So what do we have here?
So here we have a crested gecko. a brindle-crested gecko named Sunfire. She was produced by Geckos, actually, who's based out of the Bay Area.
Gotcha. And then this is, what is this considered, like adult size, Cresty?
This is an adult size. This is a ready-to-breed female.
It's a nice size. All right, so where can we find you guys?
You can find us in the very front of the Pleasanton Reptile Expo.
How about any social media if people want to find you online?
We do have Instagram and we do have Facebook, but we are a lot more active on Instagram.
And it's all at the MG Geckos?
Yes, sir. mggeckos.com.
All right, thank you so much. All right, guys, we're over here at the booth at the Pleasanton Norcal Expo, and I'm gonna pull out a special steak for you guys. This is a, I think it's a red phase. I got a, hey, is this a red phase or a black phase? Indigo.
I would say red.
Yeah, that's a little bit of red. So this is a red phase Eastern Indigo. And this is just the baby too, or not? It's a about what, a yearling? You think this is?
Like yearling?
Or a couple years, right? Or a year and a half?
Older. A yearling is considered, you know, around a year.
Yeah, yeah.
That's older than that. That's
Yeah.
a couple probably.
Yeah, a couple. This is the Eastern Indigo. This seems sick, dude. I believe this is a female. I gotta ask him, but. Wow, look at that guy. And this is my friend Mondo's back there. The guy with the longer hair. He's the guy who specializes in all the indigo species, cribos, and all that stuff. So I'm not sure what his breeding plans with these guys are. I know he produces like the Mexican indigo snakes, the rubidus, which I thought this one originally was, but after looking at it, you can tell. This is a dream species of mine too. And these guys can get huge. I think they will. Hey, Mondo, how big do these guys get? They get about 8 feet on. Yeah. Like this is the longest snake in America?
It's the largest North American collusion.
Is this a black phase or red phase? This is
It's a black phase, but
it
yeah,
has
they could have a little coloring on the chin.
And this-
I have a whole black female on it. She's pretty black.
This is not that old though, right?
No, he's like almost about a year. I'd say a year and a half.
That's what I was saying. I was saying it was about a year, like a year.
Yeah, year.
All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys more reptiles at the show here. I'm trying to highlight all the tables here. All right, guys, so right here we got a diamond python. This is a pure diamond python. They do hybridize these guys with the jungles. But this is for my friend right here, Solano Serpents, Aaron. This guy's sick. And this is one of his nicer pattern ones. He has, I think, 3 of them or so. You can see all the yellows on this guy. All right, guys, we're down here at the, I forgot the name of the show.
Rapamona.
No, I was going to say,
Pleasanton.
Rapamona.
Pleasanton.
All right, guys, we're at the Pleasanton Norcal Expo, Reptile Expo. I'm down here with the Gecko table. You want to highlight one animal on your table?
I like the Pictus geckos the best, bro. I mean, I got a lot of leopard geckos. You can see I'm really into them. But the Pictus geckos, that's like my new favorite
Yeah, let's
animal,
get a
bro.
little close up. Are these guys a little darty?
This is a male. He's a little bit like, this isn't very anything special yet. He's kind of brown, kind of red.
And you did say that they have a lot of morphs in these now, right?
They're coming out, bro. They're coming out right now. Like there's an anery gene, there's an albino gene, and some of these aren't really proved out either. So I have an anathoristic line I've been working with for a few years. I'm proving it out as recessive, but the heads are almost visual. Like the head looks almost anery, and people have seen my head aneries and been like, oh, that's anery.
Yeah.
But then you see the one that is literally like from the pair, and that's on fire, bro. He's like solid white, silver, no red. The thing about these two is they have a different color eye. Let's see if I can get them out. This one has like a bluish eye, and he'll have like an orange stripe in there.
Let me try to get a focus. So tiny that's gonna right there.
Yeah, I'm saying. So the anery gene will take that orange out of the eye and turn the whole thing black with that little white stripe.
Okay.
I think these are cool, man. They're super easy to take care of. I take care of them just like my leopard geckos, keep them the same temperature, same schedule, same food.
You said that you don't know the max size yet, or you said that
I have one, bro. That's pretty big. I gotta get a picture of it. I'll send that to you.
Yeah, definitely.
His head is almost 3 times the size of this one. His tail is super fat. This one's about 8 months old, and the one that I have that's really big is about 2.
And where did you guys come with it from?
Madagascar. The spiny forest of Madagascar. They're called Madagascar ground geckos.
Okay.
But there's like 4 or 5 different species of those. This is a Paradora pictus gecko.
Okay, gotcha.
And so this one's about 2 months old. This one's about 8 months old. So they grow really fast. Dude, overnight. They grow overnight. I'm saying. Yeah.
And then what, do they need to be a couple years to breed?
Bro, they'll breed at 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah.
No way.
I swear. I've heard of people talking about they will breed at 2 months old.
Well, I mean, yeah, it just depends on size, right?
Is like you want to get your size on the female, so she's laying a lot of eggs.
And you also specialize in breeding leopard geckos.
I do a lot of leopard geckos. I've done a lot of geckos, bro. Coastal geckos. We're gonna get into. Evan got some scorpion tails.
You want to introduce yourself?
Geckos. Yep.
And what do you specialize in?
Nothing right now, but I got some scorpion tail geckos, and I'm trying to get in the Chinese cave gecko as well.
And what was your name, by the way?
Evan.
Evan. Okay, nice to meet you, Evan.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you guys. Wait, where can we find you?
Geckbro, at Geckbro, Instagram, Facebook.
And that's the logo back there?
Yes, sir. That's me right there. Check me out. Got the tattoo.
You got a tattoo of it?
Down for life, I'm saying.
Okay, dang.
Yep.
All right, so and then where can we find you? Did you already put it out? On
Evan Freshley on Instagram.
Yeah, EvanFreshley on Instagram.
Okay, appreciate you guys.
Thank you, brother. Have a good one.
All right, guys, I'm down here at the Norcal Reptile Expo. If you just want to introduce yourself and tell me what you specialize in.
Hi, I'm Wes with WLC Reptiles. We have bearded dragons. I'm working on panther chameleons, leopard geckos.
So you specialize in breeding the panther chameleons right now and the bearded dragons, right?
Yep, working on it.
Okay, and do you breed any special colors and morphs within the panthers or the beardies?
Panthers, so far we're working with the envelopies. Beardies, I'm working on the reds soon, but I have the red, the orange lines, the leatherbacks.
Okay. And do you have any social media or anything where we can follow you?
WLC Reptile.
And that's on Instagram?
Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.
All right, appreciate it. All right, you just want to introduce yourself and tell me what you have here?
All right, my name is Juan. I'm part of the Bay Area Herpetological Society. I'm actually holding my buddy Pete's snake right here. I'm not a colubrid guy. I keep boas and pythons, but I'm going to have my buddy Tony over here tell you a little bit more about these.
Okay.
This is a prairie gopher snake, bull snake. Sorry.
So where are they located?
Midwest.
Midwest. And is this about full grown for these guys?
Yes, it is.
This is a big colubrid. Are these the largest of the Pituophis or no? Because there's the Pichuopus is a big family, right? They also have the, what's the black one? The black pines?
The black pines are can get a little bigger, but the northern pines are the longest.
Northern? Okay, gotcha. And then you also got Mexican down here too, right? So Mexicans, don't they have a couple varieties of the Mexican pines?
Yeah. I'm not real familiar with them. This is not our pets, but the Mexican ones and the Bajas, they're brighter red, nicer colors.
So you guys are just here supporting the Bay Area Herpal. I can't even say that.
Welcome to the club.
All right, so is that where we can find you guys? If anybody's trying to reach out to you guys?
Yes.
All right. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Memory's been. I have been having to delete stuff. Does she move a lot? Oh, she's good. Where's my? I have
We just bought it for 25 cents. I said, that's a steal, man.
That's fine.
This guy's sick. The granite is one of my favorites now, man. Like this is not hypo granite. You have a hypo granite down there, right?
I have a hypo. I got those too.
Then you have. Oh, no, this is the biggest one you have, right?
Yeah, this is the biggest guy I got.
Dude, look at the color. So just with hypo alone, what it does.
Yeah, it really brightens everything up.
It looks insane, especially that head. I love the pinks that those berms give, man. The pinks are starting to come out of my pearl too.
He gets them too right after he sheds. I think it's kind of the granite thing, you know?
Yeah.
There you go. Give me just a minute and I'll definitely let you guys pet it.
So big. What does he weigh? Like 60, 70 pounds?
He's a little heavier than that.
Yeah,
he's
dude.
like close to 100.
He's wrapping the wheels on.
There it is.
All right, you know what? I'll hold him up. Yeah, dude, he got some weight on him. Good, huh? Appreciate it, brother.
Worries, man.